very often we'll go into the bottom of the engine. We tend to say you have a rotation, so the operator, after a certain amount of lines, will then move to loading the mixer and so on and so on. And that's what we'll do later. You operate, then you'll go to the mixer, you'll go to the drum, you'll go to the, so everybody's going to sort of like rotate around. The operation of the chamber is done with the two levers. The vertical lever to the left will control the top arm. So you can actually put the levers horizontal or vertical, both of them, but we tend to do two different ones. So one horizontal, one vertical. So it gives you the difference between the top and the bottom ram. So this one here will do the top ram, will close this part, so the pre-compaction. And this one on the right will do the main compaction. The horizontal lever on the right will control the bottom ram and will do the main compression. The gauge on the machine will be set at 100 bars. That you can adjust if you need. We'll get into that here. On the back of the valve blank, you have a sort of adjustment for your pressures. If you've got no other choice than not to add sand, you have to then compress a bit less with high clay. You can actually reduce the compression here. Or you can increase the compression to 120 bars if you really wanted to, if you're not getting the right length. But we set it at 100 bars. And it should be fine. It should be fine. So automated machine operation. Some of the machines are equipped with automated chamber operation. The operation is a little different as you just press a button to start. So you get a start button, a reset button. So it's just pressing a button and the operation happens on itself. We'll do that, we'll show you that also. The reset is to put the bottom and the top back into place. So it sort of like allows to start again on this side. The main switch will allow you, this switch here, will allow you to change to manual. So in case you have to make half blocks or different dimension blocks and you only need a few, you can actually go on the manual. So you've got still the levers and you can operate manually. It also happens because if inside you have a fuse that goes or something, you can just switch and keep on manual. Then you change a fuse, but there you are. Then operation still happens. There's a photoelectric eye that will prevent the compression from taking place if something obstructs the top ram. So there is a protection there. So this eye always needs to be kept clean. So sometimes it gets dusted. So just keep it clean. Make sure that the eye is not. It does see the block. You have on the engine. You have an hour meter. So basically, it runs with the vibrations of the engine. So as an engine runs, it picks up vibrations, it starts counting the hours. So it starts at 0, you see. So on the back you have two little cables, you undo those and then it becomes active. So as it's active, it will start counting your hours. At 250 hours, you stop the machine, you do your maintenance. And try and keep it exactly on that time. Maybe an hour after, it doesn't really matter, but 250 hours, you know that's your maintenance time. And then if you've got a mobile machine and you're moving, just take those two wires and tie them up again. So, because it'll pick up the vibrations and you'll keep on, if you drive for 8 hours, it'll put 8 hours on your hour meter. Oh.